Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Karibuni sana. If today is your first time on this channel, kindly consider subscribing. So today I'm back again with another video. So I'm going to show you how I wash and store my tomatoes in the fridge to last longer. So I'm going to show you the procedure that I usually do to ensure that my tomatoes last longer in the fridge. So I'm going to wash my tomatoes over here, and I'm going to use vinegar to wash my tomatoes. Okay, so stay tuned and let's start the video. First, I'm going to fill my basin with water, as you can see. All right, so I want to wash all my tomatoes inside here. Okay. So next, I'm going to add the vinegar to my water. Okay. So after adding the vinegar, I'm going to wash my tomatoes. I'm going to put them in the water and I'm going to wash them. So wash your tomatoes thoroughly to remove all the dirt. Remember, I told you that before putting any food in the fridge, you have to wash to remove all the germs. So the vinegar will help us to clean the tomatoes thoroughly and to remove all the germs. All right? Okay. So this is how the water looks like, dirty, right? So that is why it's always good to wash your tomatoes. So I'm going to rinse my tomatoes again. So once I have washed my tomatoes well, as you can see, they're looking so nice. They're very ripe. So I'm going to take a clean kitchen towel and I'm going to dry my tomatoes. Okay. So I'm going to dry my tomatoes using the towel before I store them in the fridge. Done wiping and removing the water from the tomatoes, as you can see. So now I'm going to store it in a compartment in the fridge. Next, I'm going to store them in this fridge compartment. Okay, I will place them right inside here, and the tomatoes will last me even for a month without going bad. All right. Guys, this is how I store my tomatoes. I have put them in the fridge compartment, as you can see. So this will last me about 2 weeks or 1 month. Okay, so just place your tomatoes in the fridge, not in the freezer, and they will not go bad. All right, so I hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe, turn the notification bell so that you get alerted anytime I upload a new video. Until the next one, goodbye.